Good morning. Thank you for joining us here for your Campus Connect forecast. Right now, looking towards Columbus, our view from our Skycam downtown, showing we have pretty clear skies and a lot of sunshine making us through, but despite that, still feels like fall out there. 67 degrees right now with a dew point of 54, and it's because we have a north wind right now at 6 miles an hour, so we have a lot of dry air coming into the area, helping to keep temperatures low, and that's the case across much of the state in the 60s, 66 degrees in Greenwood, 66 in Tupelo, a little bit warmer to the south, 67 Meridian. That's also the case across much of the region. You have to go all the way down towards the Gulf to find temperatures in the 70s, 74 in New Orleans, 72 in Mobile right now, and Atlanta is 63 degrees right now. And dew points are helping to make it feel very comfortable out there across the region with dew points in the 50s. So it's making it feel like fall out there with that northerly flow that's going to persist for the next several days, and then autumn is going to stick around at least here in Starkville for 2 more days, and then a warming trend will begin by Friday, but the temperatures will still be below average for this time of the year, so we should be in the lower 90s. 90 degrees is the average high for right now here in town, but looking at the tropics right now, we do have Hurricane Katia right now. It has been downgraded to a Category 1 storm. It has been weakening the past few days with winds of 85 miles an hour. And you take a look at the circulation right now. It's starting to look a little bit ragged with some dry air coming in, indicating that we are beginning to see this storm weaken much more. Right now, the forecast cone brings it at its closest point to the eastern seaboard by midnight on Friday, but then it's saying a Category 1 storm quickly making its way to the northeast through the North Atlantic, and the United Kingdom is actually in part of that forecast cone right now, but we'll have to see if that actually plays out as the waters are fairly cold up in the North Atlantic. And forming this morning down in the eastern Atlantic off the coast of Africa, we have Tropical Storm Maria right now with winds of 50 miles an hour, pressure 1,003 millibars right now. It's forecasted to stay fairly weak, strengthening just a little bit, but staying as a tropical storm as it moves towards the Antilles into the Bahamas. Once it gets over the Bahamas, see it begins to hook a little bit to the north. We'll have to see how close it gets to the east coast of the United States. At that point, we'll see how close it is, and we'll have more details on that coming up later in the week as we get a little bit closer. Right now, our satellite view across the nation, we have a few area of low pressure over the Midwest and up here in the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic states. These are the remnants of Tropical Storm Lee. We have a slight risk of severe weather for Virginia and into Pennsylvania right now, but we're going to remain clear as we are right now. We're going to have that northerly flow. We have high pressure off to the west, and it's going to help to keep things cool and dry for the next couple days at least. And Futurecast is painting in a few clouds possibly through Thursday and into Friday a little bit, but the big story is we're going to remain dry. Today, 77 degrees. It's going to be sunny and cool once again. Northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Winds are going to remain out of the northwest tonight with temperatures 54 degrees. So this evening it's going to be great to go outside for a walk and maybe go to the park, but that strong wind, it might be a little bit brisk out there despite. 77 degrees tomorrow is what we'll see. It's going to be sunny once again, but that wind is going to increase out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And then looking ahead to the next couple days, Friday 80 degrees, that's when we will see that warming trend begin. Saturday a bit warmer, 83 degrees, and then Sunday and Monday 84 degrees. So the fling with fall is a little over at that point, but it will certainly return soon. And that is a look at your Campus Connect forecast for today. Thank you for joining us.